Hey, welcome back to another video. It's good to have you here. I want to have a chat to you about something I saw recently, and it's something called Marketplace Pulse. It's a website out there that gives you a lot of data on and statistics on things. And I was looking at something that in terms of starting up Amazon accounts, and this is something that a lot of people who sell courses on Amazon and teaching people how to make money on Amazon or teach people how to find products on Amazon, something that doesn't really sit well with them, something they don't really like to talk about much, and that is data. That is data and statistics of people who actually start an Amazon business. And I wanted to talk about that because from day one, ever since I started sort of branding off into not only just doing it for myself and selling on Amazon, but also teaching other people to do it as well and dedicating time to that. From day one, I've been telling people this data as well, and telling people that selling on Amazon and basically being an Amazon seller is not a get-rich-quick overnight success type of business. It is a business that does take time. It takes time to even find your products, and it does take time and money, and it's not something that you can get started overnight. And I wanted to sort of walk you through some of the stats on this, all right? And it's very important to know this because I'm very upfront with the students, I'm very upfront with the people I work with about their success rates, all right? So according to Marketplace Pulse, last year there was 2 million third-party Amazon sellers, so people selling on Amazon, just like me, just like many other people out there who are selling products, multiple products on Amazon, all right? Last year alone, there was 700,000 new Amazon accounts, just last year, all right? So there's 2 million people selling on Amazon, and in a year, there's 700,000. Now, some people get a little bit spooked by that, thinking, oh my God, there's so many new Amazon sellers jumping on Amazon, so much more competition. How am I going to compete with that? But let me just tell you a stat right here, and this might clear it up, right? And obviously people are joining Amazon because there's money to be made, right? There's an opportunity there, and that's why a lot of people are joining, okay? But after 3 months, they found that out of those 700,000 people, after 3 months, only 70,000 of those people have actually remained. So 90% of people actually dropped off after 3 months. And it just sort of goes to show, you got to question that. Why did those people drop off, right? Why did 90% of people fall off after opening up an Amazon account, right? They even did a further study that 6 months later, only 30,000 of those accounts are still open. So really, out of the original 700,000 new accounts, only roughly 2% of people actually remained as an Amazon seller or remained active after 12 months, right? So people are quitting because their expectations are too high in the short term. They think they're going to be within sometimes a span of 3 months. They expect to have 10 products, maybe 20 products up. They expect to be doing maybe 20K a month, right? And the expectations are too high. So that's kind of the reason why a lot of people quit with Amazon, okay? And people who sell Amazon courses don't like this because they're trying to sell you the, get rich quick, easy, the fast way to launch products, the fast way to build a business. And like I said, from day one, I've been telling people it is slow to actually launch a proper business. You can't really do anything like within 3 months. Like, what business can you build in a 3-month time span? There really isn't any good quality business that you could build in 3 months. So people's expectations, they're way up here on thinking of what they can build in a very short time frame. All right. So from day one, I've been telling people that running this business, don't quit your job, do it part-time, do it on the side of something that you're currently doing right now. It takes time, it takes effort. And, like I said, 90% of people are quitting in the first 3 months. A lot of it is because, number one, they don't really have someone to bounce ideas off. They don't really have a direction, really, of anyone that they can talk to, but also because they're thinking, I want to be making 100K, or 50K a month, and they're comparing themselves to someone who's been on Amazon for maybe 2 years or 3 years, right? And they've taken a long time to build their business, and they may be doing incredible figures, but it's going to take you time as well, all right? So It just goes to show the mentality of some people who start businesses. Okay, so I mean, we've got people who've been with us for 3 months, 4 months, even 6 months, who are still haven't launched their first product. It's because they're planning. You know, not everyone, but we've had people who launch much sooner than that. Even within 30 days, they've got their product, they've made their order, and it's on its way to the Amazon warehouse. But you know, some people, it does take a little bit longer. So it really does depend on you. And I just wanted to make that clear because it's very important. Like, I sell on Amazon, I sell multiple products myself on Amazon, and I take the time to teach other people how to do it as well. But I want to make sure that if you are coming in, you know, and joining me, come in with the right mindset, come in with the right expectations, all right? This isn't a get-rich-quick overnight success scheme or success thing. I mean, Amazon is a proper business model. It's a great platform, but it does take time. It takes work. It takes effort, all right? So, come in with the right mindset, and I would love to work with you, and I thought I'd just film this video just to sort of basically remind everyone that it is something that does take time, but it's definitely something I feel that is worth it, because you are building a business from ground up, and every business from ground up does take, it isn't a fast food type thing. It does take a bit of time. You look at McDonald's, right? Look at McDonald's and Disney and all these big businesses. They weren't up in the first 6 months. They weren't up in the first year. It took time and effort, sweat, blood, and tears. Hopefully not too many tears to get up and running. So have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.
Hey, this is what I'm going to promise you. We are running a live webinar. I would love to see you on the webinar. Here's what you're going to be learning on the webinar. I'm going to reveal 10 products that are currently selling right now on Amazon. I would love for you to see those products. I'm also going to reveal some products that I've been involved in personally as well with selling these on Amazon. All right, so I'm going to reveal those products to you, and some of these products very, again, light, small, profitable, things that you can brand and build your business around. I'm also going to show you the step-by-step process to getting involved, getting your product listed on Amazon, and I'm also going to reveal strategies to actually getting started in the next 30 days. So I'd love to see you there. This is going to be a great training, and visit our website to find out more information on that. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.